Hello everyone and welcome in my lab. Today I wanna show you my new camera, Canon M50 Mark II. It's mirrorless camera. Why Canon? I made a really extensive research online, and the first I was using Canon for years. My old 500D was really good, really nice camera, and I think I will stay with Canon. Okay, let's open it. Power cable, standard power cable with UK plug. Nothing special. Then user manual, multi-language. Yeah, but who wanna read this? Okay. Next. Strap. With Canon EOS logo. Okay. Then battery. Battery is really small and really light. I heard is the battery lifetime is really not great with this camera, especially when you start recording with 4K, 7.2 volts, 875 milliamps hours. It's really relatively small camera battery. And the next is the lens. Kit lens is not really bright, but I think it's really good for the start. Really small and light compared to the previous Canon EF-EOS standard, which I was using. This one is the EF-M, which is much smaller. Then we got the body and the charger. And be honest, the charger is my biggest disappointment. It's 2022 and Canon still making the charger with is powered from the grid 240 or from 110, depending on the country. But come on, USB micro, USB-C, that's the current standard. But we'll go to this later. And yeah, not really good idea. Yeah, 10 years ago, maybe, but not now. Hanging extra cable, relatively big cable, and the charger, we got it everywhere. Body, again, really small, and it's really feel like wow, really shrinked body. And that's everything what was in the box. Whole set: body, lens, charger, battery, and the strap. Manual. On manual at the front we got the 3D barcode, probably to scan to take the electronics version. The screen is really nice. I like it with my old Canon UK can't rotate the screen. It's just on the back. Really useful feature, especially for the blogging and now especially for the YouTube creators or any content creators. This camera was designed for, on the marketing materials they present us great for the vlogging. Nice sensor and no mirror. It means the sensor is just straight, always there, not covered by mirror like the standard DSLR camera. Everything is feel like really delicate. It's fit perfectly. It's nice, but it's lightweight. It's really light compared to the standard size. It's really light. But probably it's really great idea because for the travel it's perfect. It's perfect. I will use the SD card, micro SD card with adapter, which is 128 gigabyte size, relatively quick, especially for the HV and Ultra HD video. Below we got battery compartment, and the next to the battery compartment is the slot for the SD card, full size SD card, not micro. That's the reason why I used the adapter. And now camera is ready for the first power up. Hopefully battery got enough juice to start. For the start with this camera, I was watching the few tutorials on the YouTube channels, which is really dedicated for the filming and photography, and there it was a lot of useful tricks and settings, proper settings, the shutter speed, ISO, and I will put the links in the description to find these videos, because really useful stuff. As you can see, this blinking LED is not really visible and naked eye, it's only on the camera. That's infrared proximity sensor for the activate the viewfinder. If you do want to use the automatic detection of viewfinder, you can disable, and it's also in these videos. My first impression is really good. But the first I need to order the screen protector, because this screen loves the fingerprints. Looks really messy, and definitely screen protector. It will protect the screen from scratches, but also this nasty fingerprints. But that's unfortunately normal with the all shiny glass surfaces. It's just like working on magnets for fingerprints and all the dust. Let's compare this new camera to my old camera, Canon 500D. It's massive different. It's really like shrinked. All the body and and the lens. The EF-EOS lens is 1855. The new lens EF-M is the 1545. But compared to the physical size, it's massive different. It's good job, Canon. Good job. The new series of these lenses are really compact, really nice. The 500D is the proper DSLR camera with mirror, and M50 is mirrorless. As you can see now the difference. That's the mirror. When you make the picture, mirror is going up. When you look through the viewfinder, you look straight through the lens. That's the optical link to the viewfinder without any electronics. You just see exactly through this mirror reflecting the picture from the lens. In the mirrorless camera, the viewfinder is not optical, it's electronic. It's the like small display, and now it's possible to do it really nicely, because the small screen could be really high resolution, and when I first looked through this viewfinder, I was really impressed. It really looks good. That's that mirrorless. To give you the few advantages is the first, of course, you can make the smaller camera, more compact camera, but yeah, without the battery you will see nothing. The SD cards and the both cameras use the full-size SD cards. Of course, the 500D is using really up to, I think, 16 gigahertz maximum. The battery in M50 is slightly smaller. The capacity of the battery is also a little bit smaller on the M50. Like I said before, 875 milliamps hours. Both are lithium batteries. Both use really the similar charger. The voltage is exactly the same, but it's few years between those two cameras. I think it's like, be honest, about 10 years difference between those two cameras. The 500D, I was really happy, never gave me the problems, and was fantastic for the still images. Unfortunately for the video, it was not great. The maximum resolution, it was 720p, which is really low resolution for still qualified as HD, but not really. It's just half of the proper HD resolution, but still great camera for the photography, not for the filming, but for make the great pictures. Really good. Okay, let's back to the battery and the battery charger. Like I said, I was looking and reading a lot of reviews, and Even if I open that box, my first impression about this charger is big disappointment. No, not few years ago, yes. But I found a good solution. On Amazon I found this charger with 2 extra batteries, which always is the great to have more than one battery. For my 500D also I had the 2 batteries. Here I got a free, but yeah, it was 1 extra. And the charger, what is really important, coming with the micro USB cable, but surprise surprise, the charger is capable to use USB-C and micro USB. That is really great. That's really great. Okay, let's look on the batteries. And yeah, it's definitely, you can see, is the replacement battery. The same voltage, of course, is important, but this time is 1200 milliamps hours, not 875. It should be much better, give the much longer recording time. And those set 2 batteries and the USB charger cost me £22.99, £23 on Amazon. Link in the description. Now it's like the few weeks after, and I get the chance to use these batteries, and I can say they are really okay, and working time is a little bit better than the original battery, and the battery is working fine. It's not really fast charging, which I really like it, to be honest. I don't like the fast charging. Of course, it's safe time if you need that, but for the battery life is better the slow charging. Charging current for the single battery is 700 milliamps, and for 2 batteries will be 2 times 500 milliamps. And I make some measurements and I can confirm it's correct. And like I said, for this size of the battery, it's still, I think, really okay. But if you're looking really fast charger, you need to find different one. This one is not really fast, but for the battery life it's good. Replacement batteries fit perfectly, no problems, and works perfectly. Like I said, I put this video together now after a few weeks of using this camera, and they works really nice. This one is just something completely new for me. When you start it, when you tune it on, it shows you first you need to go and tune this, because of course for compact size you need to put in this position, and yeah, I need to probably a few days to make sure how to and yeah, it will be like automatic stuff for me next. What I really don't like it is just first day, but I try to use external microphone, and as you can see, someone's put it here for the external microphone jack, and that is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. I will show you that. For example, we'll put the jack, and how much of the screen it's covered. Even in this position, still you cover your you still cover some information if you want to look. And if you're going that way, it's completely not right. Seriously. There's enough space here, and this is Mark II. I'm sure the other people will complain about that. Nice feature is the mobile app, which connects the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi to the camera. Okay, you got the live view on your mobile phone, but still, that's your main screen, and you can tilt, you know, and do something. No, I'm really don't like where's the microphone jack is here. But maybe it's just me. Who knows? Video. It's really good. It's really good. I like it. The photos. Of course, I need a few days for the full review. But because I have this camera, that camera now, with my old camera, I have also that nice big from 55 to 250 millimeters lens, and I really like it. I like this lens, and I don't want to buy the new lens, but of course this is the EF-S, this is the EF-M, completely different. You can't just put this here. Yeah, as you can see, it's completely different. No options. But again, solution is here. That's the adapter. Shows the let's open it. Okay. Standard stuff. And we have adapter here. Then with this, I can put that to this camera, which is really nice. Let's try. This one is just the standard ring with provide the electrical connections for the autofocus and the other functions, but this one is not speed booster, I will call it. It's just nothing there, no lens, nothing. Just provide the different. Just provide the straight 1:1. It's really nice because It's heavy. That, be honest, it's really heavy. Feel solid and nice, and both surfaces are metal. I choose this one. It was cost £40, but as you can see, the contactors are gold plated, and it's the metal. They specify it's metal. It looks metal, gold plated. That's great. It was like flexible connection there, and now we can use that lens, EF-EOS lens. And now, because the magic of the filmmaking, I can show you a few nice pictures which I use with the new camera adapter and this 250mm zoom lens. And I'm really happy with the results. It's working really good for me. The next video I want to review this capture device, because the M50 have the clean HDMI. And that's it for today, and thank you very much for the watching. See you again.